Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is my favorite week again. It is Paper Pumpkin Week, and this is the August 2026 kit called Kindred Greetings. So when you open your kit, it's your stamp spot this month. It's gray granite. We've got our stamps. We've got friend, I'm always here for you, I'm so sorry, and sending my whole heart at a time when words fall short. We've got a set of scatter dots, one of my favorite stamps. We've got a little heart, and we've got this lovely sprig of leaves. Okay, so the kit comes wrapped in tissue paper, which does get saved and repurposed. And let's take the kit apart and see what we've got. Okay. All right, so everything comes all put together. Like this. Let's just move the box out of the way as well. Okay, so we've got our instructions, and they are in color. Everything you need. You've got your measuring tape down the side, inches and centimeters. And this is a overview of what the stamps are in the kit. Coordinating colors are basic beige, calypso coral, gray granite, lost lagoon, petal pink, and pool party. Okay, so we've got Terran tape, we've got dimensionals, and we've got some baker's twine. We've got our envelopes, and we've got 3 colors in the envelopes, so those are really, really pretty. Okay, and we've got greeting banners and card front pieces. So we've got our envelopes, we've got our card front pieces, we've got our greeting die cuts, and I think this is actually a card front as well. I think it's the card front for this one. And then we've got card bases. Oh, and it's like a linen look. It's embossed. It's white with a linen look. Same deal here. And they are all, you can't see it on the video, but it's like a linen kind of finish on there. It's a little woven. And we've got another one of our card fronts, and then we've got our die cuts that can be punched out or pressed out, and we've got our board to stop things getting folded. I use those for making mini bolts of fabric, but this is our Kindred Greetings bundle or kit for August of 2026. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for those 3 projects, 1 in each video, and then an alternate every day this week.